Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Think Learn Grow. Today we are going to discuss about market segmentation. Ever wonder why do different people see different ads for the same product? The answer is market segmentation, one of the most important concepts in marketing. Market segmentation means dividing a large market into smaller groups of customers who share similar characteristics or needs. Instead of marketing to everyone, companies focus on specific groups of customers. This makes their marketing more effective and more profitable. Let's quickly look at the four main types of market segmentation. Demographic segmentation. This type divides customers based on age, gender, income, education, or occupation. For example, luxury watch brands like Rolex mainly target customers with high income levels, because not everyone can afford luxury products. Geographic segmentation. This divides customers based on location, such as country, city, or climate. For example, Coca-Cola Company may sell different drink flavors in different countries depending on local tastes. Psychographic segmentation. Psychographic segmentation focuses on lifestyle, personality, and interests. For example, Nike Inc. often targets people who enjoy sports, fitness, and an active lifestyle. Behavioral segmentation. This type focuses on customer behavior, such as buying habits, brand loyalty, and product usage. Companies often give special offers to loyal customers to encourage repeat purchases. So instead of trying to sell to everyone, businesses segment the market to reach the right customers with the right message. And that's market segmentation explained simply. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you soon with the next video.